How to use AliExpress in your local currency. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application AliExpress. Enter your login credential and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, move into account at the bottom right corner, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tons of different options will be visible to you. Head over to currency. Choose a specific currency that you want according to your country. If not, you can also change the country, and according to your country, you can choose your currency as well. Let me choose Nepal for now. Click on it. Once it has been changed, now move into account and then tap on the gear icon. Head over to currency. Choose the specific currency that you want to set. Let me choose Indian rupee. Click on it and then tap on Get It. You can see the currency has been changed. So that's a wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.